What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Solana because the Solana blockchain has been going crazy. But it happened earlier this morning, so I'm not going to go too heavy on it because a lot of people already covered this. So today is more going to be on the technicals with it, but I'm also going to show you what happened with Solana earlier. So also, please hit the like button, subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the algorithm. And also check out the links in the description for free stocks with Robinhood, Weeple, and Public.com. And check out all the other links I got for BeatStars. I mean, everything. Instagram, Twitter. You can follow me on those platforms if you want. Also on Spotify, Apple Music, all that. So let's get straight to it. And also leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you guys want me to go over next. So let's get straight to Solana. First, we are going to go over what happened with Solana. So the Solana blockchain network is now facing intermittent instability. So anyways, this happened earlier today around 8:45 a.m., somewhere around there. But anyways, on Tuesday morning, the Solana Foundation published a statement on Twitter saying that its Solana blockchain was experiencing intermittent instability. That's pretty much how they classified it. And then they said resource exhaustion and the network is causing a denial of services and engineers are working towards a resolution. So validators are preparing for a potential restart if necessary. So this has already happened. It's already been said and done. So the CEO of Solana Labs, this guy, I don't even want to try to pronounce his name, said that it was similar to a resource exhaustion that occurred a week ago, which he called a forwarder queue flood. So anyways, Yakovenko, I guess you want to call him, added that 2/3 of the fixes has been triggered, are tagged in the recent release, and the company just needed a few days to seek them before the release. So nonetheless, users on the platform flooded the company's Twitter with complaints about how not being able to access the blockchain. And then it kind of makes you think, is it really decentralized? But anyways, I'm not going to get over on the politics on that. But anyways, according to Solana scanning tools, SolScan and Solana Beach, many of the recent transaction attempts on the blockchain network have failed, with the last successful transaction occurring 3 hours ago. So Phantom, a crypto wallet for DeFi and NFTs that relies on the Solana blockchain, said on Tuesday morning that it was also having trouble. So now all the other cryptos that are on the Solana blockchain are also having trouble. So Solana bills itself as the fastest blockchain, as they say. But anyways, everyone's pretty much talking about this, so I'm not going to really go over it too hard today. So I'm going to actually go over where they actually said that here, and this is the actual tweet coming directly from Solana themselves. So Solana mainnet beta is experiencing intermittent stability. This began approximately 45 minutes ago. They said that around 8:38 a.m. and they're probably still experiencing some problems. So anyways, this is pretty much what's happening inside of Solana. This is the whole statement that they made, so you don't think they're just making stuff up on these articles. And then over here, they're actually addressing it more. So Solana mainnet beta encountered a large increase in transaction load, which peaked at 400,000 TPS. These transactions flooded the transaction processing queue, and lack of prioritization of network critical messaging caused the network to start forking. So number two, this forking led to excessive memory consumption, causing some nodes to go offline. Engineers across the ecosystem attempted to stabilize the network but were unsuccessful. So the validator community elected to coordinate a restart of the network. The community is preparing a new release and instructions will be posted in the Discord. So this is what's happening with Solana right now. They're having some huge problems. This guy says, LOL, SOL, going around claiming higher TPS and all that for years, popping off about Ethereum, and then boom, fail. So a lot of people are attacking Solana because of this, and I guess rightfully so, because a lot of people do business on their blockchain, and you got to think a lot of other cryptos run on that blockchain. So essentially, it's ruining the trading of a lot of people. A lot of people live off of day trading and stuff like that, and then a lot of people also trade for their business. They actually trade cryptocurrencies left and right like that. So this is definitely bad for Solana. But before we go over this, let's go ahead and do some technicals, okay? So this is what we're seeing with Solana. Solana is starting to drop because of what happened earlier today. As you can see, the second it happened, we just started going down, but now it's kind of coming back. It's about to start trying to pass this resistance here at 157. Hopefully it doesn't get rejected, but it could or could not get rejected. I don't know. Solana has been so strong lately that I don't believe it'll get rejected. I do believe Solana will more than likely break out to the next channel. Hopefully it can, because it has been really strong lately, like I said. So it's more than likely not going to go too far down. Now, Solana has had a huge increase in the past month. Actually, the past 2 months, really. Solana has been going crazy. So right now, we could be seeing a retracement of Solana. So I don't know. It could pass below another channel. But anyways, let's go over this technical analysis. So Solana bears get burned if Solana fails to break down. So Solana prices faces 6 consecutive day of lower closes, and then now this new problem that they're having isn't helping them out at all. So late bear traders may get burned if they are short at $150, and then final daily Ichimoku support is coming up. So Solana price has moved lower by as much as negative 30%. That's actually really bad right now. As the pullback from the new all-time highs continues, Solana is entering into established medium pullback ranges. Now, like I said, there's going to be some pullbacks, some retracement. It is trying to break this resistance, but you got to think about how much Solana has raised within the past. Like, look at this. We're down 10.87% in the last 7 days, and then down 7% in the last 24 hours. But if you look at what Solana has done, like in the last month, Solana has went crazy. It's like really crazy just within the last month. So right now, Solana is just retracing back to probably a little bit to where it was before, maybe 140, possibly 130. Any of that could happen. Anything's possible right now with Solana, especially with the problems that they're having right now. So Solana price closes in on the final daily Ikemoku support level. So Solana price is getting close to the final support level in the Ikemoku system, the Kinju Sen. So the Kinju Sen is currently at $141.25. So it is in a position to trap any late short sellers who decide to short if Solana fails to hold 150. So Kinju Sen is the primary day trader indicator in the Ikemoku system. Like I said, there's a lot of people who are day trading Solana and other cryptocurrencies. It presents medium-term movement and easily thought of as a 50% dynamic Fibonacci retracement level. Support and resistance are often found against the Kinju system. So honestly, I don't know what's about to happen with Solana. I'm not even going to pretend like I'm about to know where it's going to go. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Anything could happen at this point. We could just continue to go down below this channel, below 139, below 140, all that, all the way down to 120. Because remember, Solana had so much growth within the last month, so it has to retrace. Everything that pumps this heavy inside of such a short period of time always retraces back down to lower levels. It'll be higher than it was before, but it's not going to be as high as it is now. Now, anything can happen though. It could start going crazy again. They could do some more updates that just brings big news to the crypto space. So anything could really happen with Solana at this moment. Now, let's go over this right here. Bulls should not be overly confident though, because you got to remember everything that just happened, all this price action, like we went up huge. We have to retrace this. The relative strength index has yet to hit the first oversold condition in a bull market. So in the given current Solana price action, a move below the Kinju Sen may be necessary. And this is kind of bothering me. They spelled strength wrong. But yeah, anyways, let's move on. So over here, you can see the weekly Tenkan Sen and Kinju Sen fall share of a price of between $115, $120. Solana will likely need to push beyond that to move up. But anyways, but they're predicting about 115 to 120. So it could happen. Like I said, we could definitely end up going back down there. Most likely it would happen because you got to think about where Solana is coming from. Like all that growth that Solana had, like, come on, it's going to happen. But anyways, yes, we are on a downtrend here with Solana, and we'll most likely stop around 120, possibly even 115 or even $100, like I said. So big stuff going on here with Solana. As you can see, we're going down in this downtrend channel. So don't get your hopes up though, because Solana is up huge. Now, anyways, I want to go over that other news article with Solana. So this is actually big. Institutional investors bet big on Solana as demand for Bitcoin waves. So Solana has just been going crazy. It's been the obvious, blockchain that's been going way higher than Bitcoin as in growth. And it's the same thing with Ethereum. People have been saying Solana over Ethereum, Solana over Bitcoin, Solana over a lot of different stuff. Now, I haven't heard anyone say Solana over Cardano. I have not heard anyone say that. Like Cardano, in my opinion, may be the best crypto out there right now. Like, and I don't know. It's just an opinion. A lot of people believe in Cardano as well. I definitely believe in Cardano. I'll make a Cardano video soon, though. But anyways, yeah. Institutional investors are betting big on Solana. So the reduced institutional inflows have not impacted the price of Bitcoin as much as we would expect, as the cryptocurrency has saw a bullish fundamental in other aspects. So the recent uptrend in the price of Solana has earned it a place in interest amongst institutional investors. So this is according to the data by the CoinShares people. So Solana received the largest inflows from investors, way more than any other cryptocurrency profiled. The digital currency ecosystem received a total of $57 million last week posting their 4th consecutive week of inflows. So huge institutional investors have been investing in the Solana. Huge. Now, this impacts of institutional investors buy-ups on Bitcoin and Solana price. This is going crazy. The reduced institutional inflows have not impacted the price of Bitcoin as much as we would expect, but is impacting Solana. So as the cryptocurrency has sought a bullish fundamental in other aspects. So Solana is going crazy here. But anyways, this is all I got for you guys today. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor and none of this financial advice. But if you do like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you guys want me to go over next. And also, don't forget to look in the description. Sign up for Robinhood, Webull, Public.com, all that. Get your free stocks and put them into whatever you want to put them into. And also check out my other links, Twitter, Instagram, Apple Music, Spotify, all that. And I'll be back with another video. Peace.